We interrupt this programme with an urgent appeal. There are two desperate presenters who desperately need your help. Desperately.
This is Sam.
This is Mark.
We've been together for 10 joyless years.
People said it would never work.
It didn't.
They're not lucky enough to have all the things that you and I have.
Like looks, talent, or even personalities.
And that's why they need your help.
Just 1 hour is all it would take to make these boys feel wanted.
1 hour to make a real difference.
They need your help.
Just 1 hour is all it will take. So please, tune in and change their lives.